This is the HP OmniBook X Ngai 14-inch laptop, and if you're looking for a laptop that can help you to work smarter and faster, this is a great choice. Let's take a look at why. Wherever you're at in your project, Copilot powered by the Intel Core Ultra 7 processor can help. In Microsoft Word, it can be there to bounce ideas off in the ideation phase. It can draft an initial document for you, and it can proofread your finished writing, so it covers all bases. Then you can move over to other apps like PowerPoint and ask Copilot to use what you've just written and turn it into an easily digestible presentation. All you need to do is give it your writing, and in a few seconds, you'll have an attractive presentation to pitch to coworkers or clients. Another useful feature is its language translation, which works in real time. This can help you to have fluent remote conversations with overseas clients.
Ce ați descoperit în cercetarea dumneavoastră?
Intel AI also gives you intelligent support for note-taking, so you can focus on the meeting. Copilot AI can also be used outside of these apps just by pressing the dedicated Copilot button on the keyboard. This will bring up the chat where you can ask it questions and even generate images for your presentation, all at the push of a button, and everything happens really quickly, running on Intel's powerful Core Ultra Series 3 processor. Plus, it works completely on device and offline, so you can be safe in the knowledge that any private or sensitive information isn't available for anyone else to see. If you'd like more info about the HP OmniBook X, visit us in store, head online, or you can even talk to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.